welcome here. We have family here, and they all know us here. So it's a small community in Salisbury, Maryland, and this bowling alley makes us feel at home, I think.
You see a wide range of emotions from, the cheering, the happiness of defeating someone, and then the agony of defeat as well.
When they're here, we give them the utmost respect. We see them having a good time. They're always smiling.
I'm second arrow and throw a curve and try to hit the pocket every time.